I'm Chad.
And I'm Kristen.
And this is in the City Ballroom, March 21st, 2022. And this is a review of the Intermediate Advanced. What we did, let's turn on this time. So instead of reviewing all the stuff we did last week, it's on the last tape, we're just going to show you how to use the hitch kick and kickball change within your Lindy hop, okay, within your turns, not just a swing out. So first we'll do the swing out. So I can't do a kickball change until the second swing out because I can't develop enough momentum if I start like that. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and kickball change, triple, step, step, triple. Okay. If I do a hitch kick, same thing. Swing out first. Change. Okay. Now, how do we use that outside of the swing out? If I do a turn, or if Caller does a turn, she can kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Okay, you can do it twice, you can do it once. You can add a triple step instead of kickball change to triple step.
And in this example, we're doing an 8-count turn as opposed to a 6-count turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8.
Okay. You can do it 2 times.
1, 2. Oh, try again. One more time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, and 8.
Wait, would you do that?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, okay.
You can do that later.
Yes. So she did that with the right foot.
Right foot.
Okay. You can do it with the left foot. 1, 4,
5, and 6, 7,
kick, change. Nice. I can also do a kickball change. Kickball change. Kickball change. As I turn forward. We can do it at the same time or separately.
5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yes. I can do a hitch kick.
Yeah. 7 and 8.
Okay.
We didn't practice this, but what would it look like to do it in 6-count? 1, 2, triple, triple. 1, 2, triple, triple.
Yeah.
Yep,
It
it
works.
can be done.
It works.
2, triple, kickball change. Yep,
Mm-hmm.
look at that, it works either way.
All right. Should we do it this way too?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. 1, 2,
that's 6 count.
6.
8 count.
1, 2, pause, kickball change, step, step.
Okay. And the other way was hitch kick. Sorry.
2, pause, hit. Not quite sure what I did there. Let's figuring out the hitch kick. 1, 2, pause, kickball change, kickball change.
All right. And we also talked about dance to the music tonight. So phrasing and dancing to the music, which we'll expand on in future classes. We just talked about it today.
And we'll put that out in the recap email.
Yes.
So check out for links for that.
And we had questions about the swing out, especially the follower's part on the turn. And this is Kristen's style. Let's go on this side.
Yeah. So a lot of some follow-ups tonight were asking me how to get better or really sink in that catch on 3 and 4. And I think what I noticed is that part of it has to do with how fast you can get around, where your weight is, and how far you're traveling. So there's kind of 3 components there. And so what I was showing tonight was my styling. Not everybody does it this way, but since people asked, I'm gonna demo this for you. And so what you want to think about is basically being able to pivot when you get to 3. And so if we count it, if we do it slowly, it counts 1, 2, 3, And so if you just want to practice at home, what it's kind of going to look like is 1, 2, plant, and I'm really just pivoting on that my right foot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so that's the first thing I'm doing, is pivoting there. But in order to pivot better, I'm actually putting my weight over there. So again, if we're coming back to 3, 1, 2, 3, you can see I'm stacked on this foot. It's almost like, if you were to drive a pole all the way through, it would hit head, shoulders, hips, toe. So I want you to think about that. Another thing, the last thing, is the distance that you're traveling. So from side view, I noticed a lot of follows were going 1, 2, 3, and number 1, that's going to set you off balance. And number 2, that's more work than you need to do. You don't need to travel that far. So you can just keep it tight. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so again, I'm stacked, and that way my left foot is going to be ready to go on 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So feel free to practice that. Again, that's not the way everybody does it. That's just kind of my styling, but feel free to take it or leave it and have fun with it.
Thank you. We'll see you next week.